Hello everyone and welcome to another session of RapidMiner. This time I would like to talk about project organization. So if I start a new project, what I usually do is I have an extension which is called projects, which allows you to right click here on a folder and say create project. I give it a name, my example project. And what it does, it automatically creates a folder structure for me, which I can use. And this is my normal thing. So I have a folder called app, which is there for a web app or a Grafana dashboard on AI Hub, where all the processes are there, which are powering there. Then there's a data folder, which contains the raw and the processed data, but not results. That's in the results folder. Then I have processes, and you see often I have then a main process and then a few processes named read-in, pre-processing, learning, post-processing applications, which can be very useful. And I name them with O1, O2, O3. I often have a folder called subprocesses where, for example, I love to have a process which has a performance operator in, which I can then use in various stages so that if I need a different kind of performance measure, I only need to change it one. So subprocesses contains reusable processes which I use in different things. And I often create a learner thing if it's machine learning, where I have, for example, here this GLM, which always provides the model, the performance, and so on, optimizes it and returns it. And you see that I also have a documentation always on the lower left of a process. You can get all of this by downloading the projects extension. Okay, that's the main folder processes, where I have a folder structure. Then I have a results folder where I store performances, but also models. I have a static folder where you see I have, for example, used learners. This is a data set where I say which learners do I want to try or which columns I want to try, like static data sets which don't change, often configurations. There's a temp folder which has just data which may be deleted in future, temporary results. And then if it's a process which is not deployed on an app, but just web service exposed, then those belong into the web services folder. And yeah, that's really how I structure, when I start a new project, my repository. And I hope this helps you in your own projects. Thanks a lot for listening.